LionDesk CRM tutorial. Real estate has always been a relationship driven business. Success comes from how well you stay connected with leads, nurture prospects, and provide long term value to past clients. But managing all those conversations through calls, emails, texts, and meetings can quickly become overwhelming. That's why having the right CRM is no longer optional. In 2025, one of the top solutions for agents and brokers is LionDesk, now part of the Lone Wolf Technologies family. LionDesk under Lone Wolf continues to be one of the most trusted and widely used CRMs in the real estate industry. It was built specifically for real estate professionals who need a straightforward but powerful system to manage their pipeline, automate outreach, and maintain longer or stronger client relationships. And with Lone Wolf's backing, LionDesk is better integrated into the broader real estate ecosystem, making it easier than ever to connect with the tools and platforms you already use. In this video, we'll walk through the basics of how LionDesk works, explore its key features, and explain why it's still one of the best CRMs for real estate agents in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the contact and lead management. At its core, LionDesk offers a simple but highly effective contact management system. You can import, organize, and track every client, lead, and prospect in one place. Each contact record can include detailed notes, communication history, and tags for easy segmentation. Whether you're managing hundreds of leads from an online campaign or keeping in touch with a handful of high value clients, LionDesk makes it easy to stay on top of everything. Having all client data in one centralized hub means you'll never miss important details or lose track of where someone is in your pipeline. It creates a smoother workflow and ensures every client gets the personalized attention they deserve. Another key feature is the text and video messaging. One of the standout features of LionDesk is its ability to send both text and video messages directly from the platform. You can send quick one-to-one texts, schedule bulk messages, or even send personalized video updates. In a world where most clients expect quick and clear communication, this feature helps you meet them where they are. By adding a personal touch with video and reaching clients instantly through text, you're able to build stronger relationships and stand out from agents who only rely on email. It's a simple way to stay memorable and engaging. Another key feature is the automated drip campaigns. LionDesk makes follow-up easy through automated drip campaigns. You can design email and text sequences that go out over days, weeks, or months, nurturing your leads automatically. This is especially helpful for leads that aren't ready to buy or sell right away, but still need consistent touch points to keep you top of mind. Instead of manually checking who to follow up with each day, automation takes over for you. That way, you can focus more on building relationships in person while still ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. Another key feature is the task and pipeline management. Another key feature is pipeline and task tracking. So, LionDesk lets you visualize your deals, track where each lead is in the sales process, and sets reminders for important tasks. Whether it's scheduling a showing, preparing a listing, or sending a contract, you'll always have a clear picture of your priorities. By having a clear, structured view of your pipeline, you stay organized and efficient. This helps you focus on the right deals at the right time, leading to faster closings and less stress. Another key feature is the integrations in Lone Wolf ecosystem. Now that LionDesk is part of Lone Wolf, its integration capabilities are stronger than ever. It connects seamlessly with other Lone Wolf tools such as transaction management, back office, and digital marketing platforms, as well as popular lead sources like Zillow and Realtor.com. It even includes a built-in power dialer so you can make and track calls directly from the system. These integrations mean less manual data entry and smoother workflows. With Lone Wolf's ecosystem, your CRM becomes more than just a database. It becomes the central hub for your entire business. So why is LionDesk a great choice? LionDesk, now powered by a Lone Wolf, is a fantastic choice for real estate agents and teams because it combines ease of use with powerful automation. Some CRMs are overly complicated, requiring hours of setup before you can see results, while others feel too limited to handle real estate's demands. LionDesk strikes the right balance, giving you advanced tools like automation and texting while keeping the interface beginner friendly. So in 2025, its biggest strength is how seamlessly it fits into the modern real estate workflows. For teams, it also provides easy collaboration features, allowing multiple agents or assistants to share contacts, track progress, or manage tasks together. With everything centralized, you avoid the inefficiencies that come from juggling too many different apps. So basically, LionDesk, which is now part of the Lone Wolf family, continues to be one of the best CRM solutions for real estate professionals in 2025. Its features, contact management, text and video messaging, automated drip campaigns, pipeline tracking, and seamless integrations make it a complete system for managing relationships and growing your business. So, if you're a real estate agent looking to streamline your workflow, stay consistent with your follow ups, and ultimately close more deals, LionDesk provides the perfect combination of power and simplicity. So at the end of the day, LionDesk isn't just about managing data. It's about strengthening client relationships, improving communication, and helping you focus on what matters most, building trust and growing your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.